multi-story building. These are the few essential multi-story building design code. For the designing purpose of any multi-story building, this code are really necessary. Starting with the earthquake code 1893. Now it is revised in latest in 2025. Earlier in the 2026. 2006 it is there. Now in the latest in 2026 it is revised. And the ductility, this is necessary. 456 is one of the important code for design purpose, because on that code you will find the detailing how the steel calculation, steel reinforcement, concrete detailing, the expansion joint, construction joint detailings are there. How you will going to calculate the load on that point of view. 875 it is necessary. The tall building, if your building is more than 50 meters, at that point, at that time, the tall building concepts or the provisions you may consider, you have to consider it for this design purpose. This is for steel, for structural steel 800 is essential. So let us have it. For means now for the earthquake point of view, few parameters like seismic zone factor, means which zone in India has, earlier it was divided into the 5 categories. Okay, now in the recently in the 2025 IS code it is there for 1893, and then this category into 4 parts. Okay, starting from 2 to 5 only. 2 to 5, only 4 parts are there, 4 zonal factor are there. Okay, for the northeastern India it is 0.36, for the northeastern India it is 0.36 and 0.36, and for the others part for West Bengal it is 0.16. And the importance factor is based on the what type of building you are constructing. If it is residential, then generally we are considering 1. If it is a fire station, it is 1.5. Then I generally prefer that 1.5. It is give them more importance factor. The response reduction factor. Now I believe that most of the structural engineers generally prefer shear wall system. Okay, this is generally built to 4.5. This is generally using this. Structural clear. Then this seismic coefficients are there. This shear. Okay, story drift. If I simply explain you, then just consider it is a multi-story building. Okay, there are multi-story building. Then in that point of view, the time of earthquake it will move in this way now. If it is this for the lateral displacement is delta 2 delta 1, and the difference between delta 2 and delta 1 is considered as story drift. In this code 1893 I am mentioning this, the maximum allowable limit is 0.0048. in that case, if you consider the story height is around 3 meter, in that point of view 0.004 into 3 it becomes 3 into 2 or 3 into 4 to 12 mm. Okay, this is the maximum draft. Then the ductility. There are some key requirement. Okay, that is this detailing can enhance the overall safety of the building. Okay, overall safety of the building during the earthquake. These are your stirrup must be 135 degree, means stirrup is where now we are. Okay, this is your 90, this is your 45. Okay, then 90 and 45, how it will become 135. Okay, this is 135 degree is important. Let me draw it again for you. Okay, this is your 135 degree. And then the philosophy. The philosophy is that your column must in the strong zone and in the beam in the weak zone. This is a simple philosophy while considering the design parameters. Okay, then the general planning guidelines is such that symmetrical plan The uniform stress, continuous load part means if you have in your column, try to make it in a symmetrical plan. So the uniform stiffness you will get. Regular geometry generally preferable. Avoid large scale cantilever generally. If you have a cantilever, try to avoid this kind of large scale cantilever. Methodology. Time history analysis is nowadays is preferable. But there are different type of software is also there. There is a lot of software also there. You can calculate. Okay, let me summarize. So what are the factors? The factors are zone factor. Now this four categories are there. Then the impact factor, then response reduction factor, and then the story drift is important. Then regular system is regular, symmetric and ductile. Okay, regular, symmetric and ductile. The more reduction factor improve, it more ductility improve on the structure. Ductility means if you go to the stress strain diagram, this is the ductility one. The ductility will be enhanced. This is the basic parameter for your earthquake related or overall design related. Thank you.